Imagine a world where your car never needs washing, your clothes stay spotless, and the buildings of a city are naturally self-cleaning. For decades, achieving true, durable, low-maintenance surfaces required complex chemical coatings, often toxic and prone to degradation. But what if the secret to this futuristic reality isn't a complex synthetic chemical, but a simple, elegant design found in nature? We are diving deep into the intricate structures of the butterfly wing, an unlikely masterclass in natural engineering. Ever wonder how a butterfly remains pristine and capable of flight immediately after a downpour? The answer lies in the microscopic architecture of its wings. Get ready to have your mind blown as we unveil how this delicate structure holds the key to revolutionizing water repellency, changing everything we thought we knew about material science. The butterfly wing surface is not smooth. Under high magnification, it is revealed as a meticulously designed landscape of tiny, overlapping scales. Each scale, in turn, is covered in parallel ridges and microscopic grooves. This complex structure is the source of its superpowers. This architecture enables a phenomenon known as superhydrophobicity, or extreme water repellency. While the famed lotus effect uses simple microscopic bumps, butterfly wings achieve even greater water repellency through a multi-scale design. The grooves on the scales and the overlap of the scales themselves create a dual hierarchy of structures. When a water droplet lands, it cannot flatten out. Instead, it rests on the tips of these nanostructures, trapping a cushion of air beneath it. This minimizes the contact area between the water and the surface to less than 1%. The result is pure physics in action. The adhesive force between the water and the surface is virtually non-existent. The droplet forms a near-perfect sphere and rolls off effortlessly at the slightest tilt, picking up any dust, dirt, or debris it touches. This is the essence of the self-cleaning property. The challenge for material scientists is clear: to translate this elegant natural blueprint into durable, synthetic surfaces that can withstand human use. This research falls squarely under the umbrella of biomimicry, looking to nature to solve real-world problems. Scientists are exploring several cutting-edge techniques to replicate the butterfly's structure. These include advanced laser etching, nanoimprinting, and chemical vapor deposition. The goal is to create synthetic materials, polymers, metals, or glass, with a permanently etched, superhydrophobic surface texture. The breakthrough lies in making the texture, not a chemical coating, responsible for the water repellency. Chemical coatings eventually wear off. Structural superhydrophobicity, however, is permanent. These new materials are being developed right now, showing a future where surfaces do not need to be constantly treated, but are inherently clean and dry. The applications of self-cleaning, water-repellent technology are transformative across various industries. Imagine solar panels that are perpetually clean. Dust and grime are the primary efficiency killers for photovoltaic systems. Self-cleaning surfaces could drastically increase energy output with zero maintenance or water use. The construction industry stands to be revolutionized by low-maintenance building materials. Facades, windows, and roof tiles could be designed to shed pollutants, reducing the need for costly and resource-intensive cleaning operations. Beyond everyday consumer goods, the technology is vital for critical infrastructure. In medicine, self-cleaning, antibacterial surfaces on medical devices and surgical tools could significantly enhance hygiene and patient safety. For aerospace, superhydrophobic coatings could prevent ice formation on wings and reduce aerodynamic drag, leading to safer and more fuel-efficient travel. This isn't just about convenience, it's a major step toward sustainable solutions. By creating bio-inspired materials, we can drastically reduce our reliance on harsh cleaning chemicals and the massive amounts of water currently wasted on industrial and household cleaning. The elegance of nature provides a compelling blueprint for a cleaner, greener, and more efficient future. The butterfly wing reminds us that the best engineering solutions are often the simplest, requiring only a deep understanding of natural design. This ongoing research, blending biology with material science, promises a new era where surfaces stay cleaner, last longer, and contribute to a more sustainable world. The next great material breakthrough may not be invented. It may simply be discovered by observing the simple, beautiful mechanics of a butterfly taking flight.